Hey guys, welcome to Fun Nights, and I just started filming today. So we're gonna be showing you my dad cooking. So let's get started.
Turn my grill off. Hot. You should be able to flip your camera around.
I can't while it's filming.
Oh, you can't? You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Does it see it, Dad?
Yep, it sees it. It sees all my burnt food because I started off too hot. Got to turn it down after I was preheating it.
Much people aren't gonna watch this because all it is things. Yes.
Is your room clean?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Like your baskets are pushed in, your drawers are not overflowing, and
I'll fix that later after I'm done filming, okay? Like I'll do it as soon as I'm done. Dad, what is that meat in the middle?
Ground sausage.
Oh.
We'll put that in our gravy.
Oh. He's burning the food a little bit.
You know what? I don't need you pointing things out.
Just doing them. How much longer, Dad?
A little bit. Next person to go inside, can you get me a bowl? Take a ground sausage for the gravy. How's Oreo? Follow the recipe. That potato's gone.
Huh?
Said that potato's gone.
What potato?
That one that fell apart.
Oh.
That one's for my homies.
Who's homies?
Homies? It's like your really good friends.
Oh. And who is your homies?
Oh, I got lots of homies, man.
Am I one of them?
Oh yeah, you're definitely on, homie.
Are you almost done?
So cook eggs, but yeah.
Like on the grill?
Yeah.
With this stuff?
Yep.
Because I'm only filming this stuff.
What's up, girl? Cooking, bro.
Should I not be talking at this time? You can be talking. Can I taste it?
Can I try?
Not quite done.
Ah, that hurts. Let me try.
Can I taste them? You don't have to feed it to me like a baby.
Let it cool down a little bit.
Can I try another piece of sausage?
No.
I know.
You know what they taste like.
Some sort of trash container. I'm gonna have your mom give me a bowl or something.
You get that a bowl. Another one?
Just for eggshells, unless you want them in the yard.
Eggshells unless you want them in the yard.
Careful, maybe that's hot.
Huh?
Remember, that's hot. Excuse me.
Huh?
Excuse me. Alright.
Huh?
You get some chills?
No. Being by this doesn't give me chills at all.
No.
They can see it. You okay?
Yep. We got that one chicken that's got her eggs just don't come out good.
Huh?
Her eggs just don't come out good. Y'all doesn't.
How do you know the chicken it is?
It's one of the small ones.
Oh. Is it Fluffy Butt's baby?
I think it might be pretty actually.
We don't have Pretty anymore.
Is she gone?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
What happened to her?
Have you ever seen her? Have you seen her since fair? She died. She died a couple days after fair.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's these eggs, whoever's laying these eggs.
Oh, I think that's Fluffy Butt's baby. Whoever's laying these eggs, they make good eggs. But
Yeah.
Fluffy Butt's baby, she could do better.
Yeah. She doesn't really have control of that.
Yeah. It matters the size of the egg. It matters the size of the chicken, which makes the size of the egg.
Small chickens lay small eggs usually.
Yeah, because their butt is smaller.
Yep.
And Pretty never got big. When are you going to take those hash browns off of the pan?
Quick.
Because I bet they're going to burn.
So,
Yeah.
careful. It's hot. All right, give me some space.